Hello there, ID.4Kan here, and today we are going to talk about shortcuts which you will use on a daily basis on this car. First, I will just show you which version I have, which is currently 783 right there. And then we will move on to the first shortcut, touch buttons, and in this case travel assist. Let me start the car. I'm pushing the brake pedal, that's one. If you want to start the car. The second one, just press this button, start engine, like we have an engine. Let's put it on, come on. Checking gear, yes, we are on gear, yes, we are on gear. And then if we set, you will only use automatic cruise control with lane assist and from distance. But this is not travel assist. Travel assist is an option which uses all the technology together. So what you need to do is not press set, well, you can press set to speed, but just press this button here below, which is travel assist. Yeah, this is what we need. And then you can just move up and down. At first, focus, you will be annoyed the way you are pressing the pluses and minus means. That's because you're used to normal buttons when you're pressing it hard. If you press it hard, you will hear two buttons, just two feedbacks. One, let's see it as Apple Relay Touch. You press it slowly, which goes one up, and if you press 1, 2, you will go 10 up, or at least around 10 number. And going back is when you press it slowly, you just go 1 down, and you press it deep, you go 10 down, as you can see. You get used to that, but it's not something difficult. The other option, if you are driving at the night a lot, in the city driving it doesn't really matter, but if you're driving at the in the outskirts of the city or in darkness or at highway, and you have matrix LED, you need to push this lever to the back. What does it do? It activates that white with the A. That means automatic high beam assist. If you're going faster, let's say, I don't know when it's activated, 50 or 60 kilometers per hour, it will be activated when it's needed. So if it's not enough light at the surrounding, the high beam will go on, and it will just move the beams without blinding the opposite driver or a cyclist, etc. I will make video another time about that, but that is a lever you will use a lot, and if you put it to yourself, you will just use your high beam, as you know, and if you push it backwards, you are now, because I pushed to the inside, you will use your high beam, and if you push it backwards, it will just activate or not activate. So push it backwards and push it backwards and forwards, and you can close it. So that's the fin side of this thing. That was shortcut number 2. Number 3, it's my favorite, is bump heater. So basically, the seat heater. You have two options. You just press that, and you come here. Handy if you want to enable your seat of a steering heating and your left or right, or if you don't want to push 2 or 3 buttons, just go with your 2 fingers right here, cold and warm, just press it, and that, don't use your nails of course, and then it will go on each time down. It's still touch, so you need to get used to it, but it's working fine. And don't press it repeatedly, and then it will not. Just give it 1 second to think. That was not 1 second. Up, up, that's that. But as you can see, my dashboard is very smudgy. Maybe that's a reason, maybe not. But anyway, that was shortcut number 3. 4, very important actually. If you go closer, you will see something black or white here coming. That's let's say your quick access, like your phone. If you move there and move it downwards, you immediately see your some quick options. Nice. First one, auto hold. The car's automatically selects at auto hold. If you don't like it, cancel it. Second one, if you set your home destination, you can just press it there and it will just calculate. And third option, my favorite, really favorite, every car should have it, is dark modus. Every car should have it. And as last one, yeah, it's bright, depending how bright you want your screen, your dash. Well, it's light outside, so you don't really see it well, but I put it, you see it, it's the camera a bit, but anyway, I put it like that, and it's fine. And basically it's your notifications, but not interesting. This is a nice option if you don't have auto hold, if you want to go home very quickly, or put the notifications sound on or off. And I hope they will just add more stuff here. And as last, if you have a motorized tailgate, you can do this. I just need to press this button right there inside, and then I'm going to show you something. So, shortcut number 5 or 6, depending how you look at it. Hi mate! What man?